One city, 21 founders under 30, and a number that just tripled. Every city has a generation that defines its future. Today, that city is Bengaluru. The latest Avendus Wealth Hurun India U30 List 2026 has delivered a powerful message to India and the world. Karnataka, led by Bengaluru, has emerged as the undisputed capital of India's youngest entrepreneurial talent. From space tech and AI to fintech, electric mobility, e-commerce and consumer brands, the state's young founders aren't just building for India anymore. They're building companies that can go toe-to-toe with the best in the world. And honestly, this isn't just another ranking. It's a sign of what happens when ambition, talent and opportunity all come together in one place. And maybe that's the real lesson here for everyone else. Released by the Hurun Research Institute and Avendus Wealth Management, the Avendus Wealth Hurun India U30 List 2026 celebrates India's most exceptional entrepreneurs under the age of 30. This year's report highlights a remarkable shift. Bengaluru has surged to the top, reinforcing its position as India's leading destination for young founders and breakthrough innovation. And these young founders, they are writing Karnataka's next chapter, one the global economy will be reading for years to come. Let's begin with the numbers. Bengaluru ranks first in India with 21 entrepreneurs featured on this year's U30 list. That's an extraordinary increase of 14 entrepreneurs in just 1 year, nearly tripling the city's 2025 count of only 7 entrants. At the state level, Karnataka also claims the number 1 position with 22 entrepreneurs, adding 12 new names to the list compared to 2025. Bengaluru is now home to 18 company headquarters featured in the ranking, up from 14 in 2025, the highest of any Indian city. These are the signals of where the next generation of global industry leaders is coming from. Apurva Sahijwani, Managing Director and CEO of Avendus Wealth Management, put it simply, Bengaluru has strengthened its position as a leading hub for young entrepreneurs, with representation increasing threefold in just 1 year. Anas Rahman Junaid, founder and chief researcher of Hurun India, added a broader view that Bengaluru continues to anchor India's startup ecosystem even as its entrepreneurial network stretches across the globe, from Hubballi to Palo Alto. So who are the young minds behind this transformation? In space technology, Awais Ahmed and Kshitij Khandelwal, both 28, are building Pixel, India's answer to global Earth imaging satellites. Alongside them, Anirudh Sharma, 27, and Tanveer Ahmed, 28, of Digantara are tracking objects in orbit to keep space itself safer. Two companies, one shared belief that India's engineers can compete for the stars, not just for market share. In fintech, Kush Taneja and Sambhav Anand Jain, both 28, are reshaping personal finance through FAM app by Trio, while Rishabh Jain, 29, is scaling Super P to strengthen how India transacts. In electric mobility, Shresht Mishra and Suhas Rajkumar, both 30, are driving Simple Energy's push toward a cleaner automobile future, proving sustainability and ambition can share a roadmap. In artificial intelligence, Siddhant Dangi, 27, of Anthric, and Nikhil Venkatesh, 29, of BotSync are building the intelligent systems that will quietly power tomorrow's industries. And in consumer and e-commerce, a wave of founders barely out of their 20s. Kevalya Vora, 23, of Zepto, Aniket Shah, 26, Saran S, 25, and Ujjwal Sukheja, 25, of Swish, Akshay Gulati, 29, of Slick, Mohit Yadav, 30, of Bold Care, and sisters Riya Mittal, 26, and Shreya Mittal, 23, of Kava Athleisure are redefining how India shops, dresses, and takes care of itself. Add to this Shivam Agarwal, 29, of Sattva Group in real estate, and Naman Pushp, just 21 years old, building Airbound in aerospace and defense. And you begin to see it. This isn't one success story. It's an entire generation succeeding at once. Together, these 21 entrepreneurs represent Bengaluru's extraordinary range. Deep tech, space tech, AI, fintech, electric mobility, consumer brands, e-commerce, and advanced manufacturing. All built by people young enough to still be finding their footing and bold enough to already be leading. But Karnataka's story stretches beyond Bengaluru. The state's 22nd entrepreneur comes from Hubballi. Shiva A. Sankeshwar, 24, Managing Director of Vijayanand Travels, leading one of India's largest intercity bus operators. It's proof that world-class entrepreneurship in Karnataka isn't confined to one postal code. It's emerging everywhere. From space tech pioneers like Pixel and Digantara, to fintech innovators like SuperP and FamApp, to consumer disruptors like Zepto, Swish and Slay, Karnataka's young founders are creating the future. As Karnataka continues to invest in deep tech, research, skilling and founder-friendly policy, it isn't just building companies. It's building the pipeline the world will draw its next generation of industry leaders from. Because somewhere in Karnataka right now, someone young enough is building something the rest of the world hasn't imagined yet. That is the real story behind this list. Not just who made it this year, but what it says about who's coming next.